Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel Learn English with Ahad. My name is Ahad. I am your personal English teacher. So dear viewers across the globe, today I am diving into the new phase of English language where I am helping you to convert B1 vocabulary into C2 super advanced vocabulary. So got it, and don't forget to give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Okay, let's jump right in. So let's start with our first word. It is work together. Work together. Instead of using work together, you may use collaborate, collaborate, collaborate. Repeat after me. Work together, collaborate. Work together, collaborate. So got it? Our next word is say no. Say no. Instead of using say no, you may use decline, decline, decline. Repeat after me. Say no, decline. Say no, decline. So got it? Our next word is say yes. Say yes. Instead of using say yes, you may use oh, sorry to say, I made a mistake. Accept, accept. Repeat after me. Accept, accept. Say yes, accept. Say yes, accept. Okay, our next word is think. Think, think. Instead of using think, you may use contemplate, contemplate, contemplate. Repeat after me. Think, contemplate, contemplate. Okay, our next word is make better, make better. Instead of using make better, you may use enhance, enhance, enhance. Repeat after me. Make better, enhance. Make better, enhance. Okay, our next word is get worse, get worse. Instead of using get worse, you may use deteriorate, deteriorate, deteriorate. Repeat after me. Get worse, deteriorate. So again, I will tell you all. Work together, collaborate. Say no, decline. Say yes, accept, accept. Say yes, accept. Think, contemplate, contemplate. Make better, enhance, enhance. Get worse, deteriorate. So got it? I hope so you have enjoyed this lesson. If you have enjoyed this lesson, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Now see you in the next video. Goodbye.